Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Thursday, October 16th, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. I'm good, thanks. A bit tired from yesterday's meeting. You?
I'm okay too. This week feels long already. Coffee always helps me start the day.
Yes, it does. I add a little milk to mine. Black for you, right?
Yes, black, no sugar. Strong and quick. Did you catch any news this week? I saw some interesting stuff.
I did. What caught your eye first?
That economy news from USA Today. On October 14, they reported inflation is up again. Prices for groceries and gas are higher than last month.
Oh, yes, I read it. The article says the inflation rate is now 2.4%. It's from the latest CPI report. People worry about their budgets.
Exactly. I feel it at the store. Milk costs more now. As a sales rep, it affects my clients too. They spend less on big orders.
True. In projects, we track costs closely. Higher inflation means tighter budgets for teams. We might delay some purchases.
Right. The news mentioned it's because of strong consumer spending and some supply issues. But families feel the pinch every day.
They do. Experts say the Fed might keep interest rates high to control it. That could slow down business growth.
Slow growth is bad for sales quotas. I hit mine last month, but this month looks harder. You manage projects so you plan ahead, right?
Yes, we build buffers into timelines, but unexpected price hikes mess things up. Anyway, pass the stirra.
Here you go. Hey, switching topics. That tech story from the Wall Street Journal? On October 13th, Google faces a huge privacy fine. $1 billion from Europe.
I saw that. It's for breaking data protection rules. They collected user info without clear permission for ads.
Crazy amount. 1 billion is a lot. I use Google for work emails and searches daily. Now I'm thinking twice about sharing data.
Me too. As project manager, we handle client data carefully. This fine shows regulators are serious about privacy.
Serious is right. The article said it's the biggest fine yet under GDPR. Google appeals, but it hurts their image.
It does. In our office, we train on data security. This news reminds everyone to follow rules. No shortcuts.
Good point. Imagine if our company got fined, sales would stop. Tech like this changes how we do business.
It will. Future projects might need more privacy checks. Costs go up, but it's necessary for trust.
Trust is key in sales. Clients ask about data safety now. This Google thing makes them more careful.
Exactly. The WSJ noted it affects big tech worldwide. Not just Google, everyone watches closely.
Worldwide impact, scary. Your coffee okay? Mine's cooling fast.
It's fine. Now, the Society News from the New York Times on October 15 about social media and mental health. A new study links it to more anxiety in teens.
Yeah, I read it. Platforms show perfect lives. Kids compare and feel bad. It's a big issue.
The study is from a health group. It says 2 hours a day on social media raises stress levels by 30%.
30%? That's high. In my family, my niece is always on her phone. She gets upset easily.
Parents worry? The article talks about schools wanting to limit phone use during class to help focus and mood.
Smart idea. At work, we limit social media on computers. Helps productivity, but breaks are okay.
Balance matters. The NYT said tech companies resist bans. They say it's about free speech.
Free speech versus health. Tough call. As sales guy, I use LinkedIn for networking. It's professional.
LinkedIn is different. Less drama. But Instagram and TikTok, they push trends that stress people out.
Trends change fast. Remember the viral challenge last year? Some got hurt. Mental side is worse.
Worse indeed, the study recommends more education on healthy use. Like setting time limits.
Time limits sound good. I try 1 hour a day off work. Helps me relax.
Me too. In projects, we discuss team well-being. Social media affects morale if overdone.
Morale is important. Low energy from scrolling hurts meetings. This news makes me think.
It should. Experts call for better app designs, less addictive features.
Addictive is the word, scrolls forever. Okay, enough news. What's your morning like?
Busy? I have a team call at 9. Review progress on the new app.
App? Like with privacy features?
Yes, exactly. Inspired by news like Google's. You?
Client calls. 2 today, one about pricing, thanks to inflation.
Good luck. Prices are tricky now?
Thanks. Hope they buy anyway. Coffee's done. Ready for the day.
Almost one more sip.
Take your time. See you in the hallway later.
Sure. Have a productive morning.
You too. Bye for now.
Bye.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.